Good morning. Different type of beach report today. We are out here on Cedar Lake. They are getting ready for Moto on ice. Racers are unloading, getting down here. We've got dirt bikes, quads, I think maybe a couple of motorcycles, new and old. They've got a massive track out here and a little oval for the kids. We got kids races over here too. The weather's amazing today. Light breeze, 25 degrees, which is amazing for considering the weather we've had. So it is beautiful out here. They got a food vendor here, hot chocolate, a little bit of everything. Races start at noon. Practices start here in about 15 minutes. So they're gonna have a little bit of everything. They've got a lot of people coming out. This guy's working hard on getting the track ready. So we've got a little bit of everything over here. A lot more of them up there, up unloading right now. It's a good time to come out and check it out. Beautiful weekend here after all the crazy weather. There'll be a few different drone operators here, I believe, so it'll be fun just watching the drones try not to hit each other also. So if you ever just want to come out and walk on a lake, you can do that also. Absolutely gorgeous out here. They got grandstands up here. I'll put an address in the comments or the description here. And the food vendors over there also. So get out here, enjoy some winter activities. Not every day you get to watch some ice racing.